You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Cut and glue the pattern with a sticky tape. Choose the fabric that looks good from both sides. Add seam allowance. I suggest 1 centimeter. Cut 3 big details first. Shorten the pattern. Cut 2 parts. Mirror the pattern. Shorten the pattern again, cut 2 parts, mirror the pattern. Shorten the pattern again, cut 2 parts, mirror the pattern. Cut 6½ circle parts, don't forget folding line. I didn't add seam allowance, only on bottom edge. Cut opening on all circle parts. Serge all vertical edges of each part. Iron the details. Sew all vertical seams of the skirt. Sewing all sides together. Here are 6½ round details. Sew it together into a long line. Use serger, simple sewing machine, or French seam for best result. Flatten all seams. If you like to shorten the skirt, I suggest take off some length from these bottom parts. Cut the curved line on both edges via a long bottom part. Now it's time me to fold and sew bottom edge of the skirt. I tried baby lock seam, but my fabric wasn't suitable for that. So, I serge and fold the bottom edge. Sew the ruffles edge to the skirt. Start and finish from short part of the skirt. Hand stitch this part to sew the ruffles evenly. together, then sew it with a simple sewing machine. Cut the waist, measure it to your figure for best result. Iron interlining adhesive fabric to the waist part to make it firmer. Iron folding line. Drape the side seam for secret zipper. Sew waist detail to the skirt. You may need to hold the fabric. If you want more fitted look, you should measure the skirt on your figure and make adjustments on all side seams evenly. Sew the waist seam. Insert the inner waist part seam. You can also fold and sew this loop by hand. Start sewing secret zipper from the middle of the waist part. Fold the waist. Good luck with your skirt.